Hello friends, today we discuss about form number 12B, annexer, form for furnishing details of income under 192 subsection 2 for the year ending, as example ending 31st March 2020. One of my subscriber asked me to give details with example. Name of the address of the employee, for example, Mrs. Sumit, permanent number, PAN number, PDES 03028F, residential status, Indian, and employee he worked in 4 companies during the year, as I am taking as example. Name of the employer, he worked in 4 companies. First Wipro, second HCL, third is TCL, and fourth is Infosys. Their employers' PAN numbers given as like this, and residential status of the company, and period of the employment 1st April to 2000, 2 months May he worked in Wipro. His total salary during the period 2,30,000, and total amount of HRA, conveyance and other allowances 75,000 approximately taken, and value of the request perks and other acceleration of the employee PF given details as annexer. Separate details 23,898 rupees PF and LIC. And perks taken as 23,898 rupees, and total amount of columns 678 is 2,28,898 rupees. Like that, he worked in HCL during the period June, July, August. His salary during the time total amount of 3 lakh, and total amount of HRA and other conveyance allowances 94,000 rupees, and employee PF 30,598 rupees. Total amount 4,24,598. After that, he worked in TCL. He worked and deducted LIC premiums, like during the period April and May, PF deducted PF and other LIC 83,898 rupees, and total amount of tax nil, and total LIC second company 1,04,898 rupees, and TCL he worked September to December, 4 lakh rupees salary, total salary, and total amount of HRA and other conveyance allowances and other allowances 1,55,000 rupees, and PF 41,098 rupees, and total amount of column 678 rupees, 9 3 columns 5,96,098 rupees. And after that, last he worked Infosys. PAN number details of the employer January to March, 6 lakh his salary during the period, and HRA and other allowances, conveyance allowances 2,30,000, and PF deducted 41,898 rupees. Total his salary drawn during the period 678 columns. Total 8,71,899 rupees. And total amount deducted LIC and other PF deduction contribution as first company 83,898 rupees, 1,04,898 second company, and third company 1,59,898 rupees, and last invoice is 1,89,899 rupees. Total amount of deduction of during the year is 35,000 rupees, and this is the total form 12B details during the period, during the year total. As example, I am taking for serial number, name of the employer, 4 companies: Wipro, HCL, TCL and Infosys. PAN numbers of the employer, accommodation furnished, and period of the employment 1st April to 31st March 2000. He worked in 4 companies. First 2 months in Wipro, second 2 months HCL, and September to December TCL, and last 3 months he worked in Infosys. Total salary, total 15 lakh he during the year he drawn total salary, and HRA conveyance allowance 75,000, 94,000 and 1,55,000 and 2,30,000, and value of the perks PF 23,898 rupees, 30,598 rupees, 41,098 rupees, 41,899 rupees, and total amounts earned during the period: first company 3,28,898 rupees, 4,24,598 rupees, and TCL he earned 5,96,098 rupees, and Infosys 8,71,099 rupees, 899 rupees he earned, and PF deductions, LIC deductions from his salary 83,898 rupees, 1,04,898 rupees, 1,59,898 rupees, 1,89,899 rupees in Infosys. Total his income tax deduction is 35,000 during the period. Thank you very much.